Okay, I'm fixing and repairing this big old water tank. It's a 50-gallon tank. I had to clean it all up, and I started already putting in the. Let me get my little button here, but if you can see that, I still got more to do. But you get this heating iron. It gets pretty hot. I forgot how the temperature is. It's written in the kit. I'm here at home doing this on myself. Anyway, California, the weather's kind of warm out there. Thank God I was able to get in my garage. Of course, I have a big garage. And I've got this kit from Harbor Freight. So they gave me, I think I paid $28, weld plastic. There was other companies that had kits for like 100 and something, but I think this one's doing the trick so far. The trick is, if you can weld from the inside, you want to use the screen they gave you, a stainless steel screen. I don't know if you can see that. I'll try to get, okay, there you go. And I cut it in strips. And the pressure pushing from inside out with the plastic, welded on, and all of it's pretty basic. You're principally doing is basically just melting the plastic rods that they give you. But the ones they gave me, it wasn't polyurethane. So they could have been, I wasn't sure, and I want to take a chance. That comes with the kit. But I ordered from Amazon. I think I paid $12. I'm not sure. I think it had 5 rods in it from Rainflow, and they make a good gun too. But I think it's up in price. And they gave me 5 of these little flat units, and all you do is just put the torch tip to it with a little triangle tip and just melt away. Of course, I cut this big old screen. I cut it with scissors and just cut what I need. So basically, I put the iron on the rubber, on the plastic rod. I can't show you and do the camera at the same time, but it's pretty basic, and it melts pretty fast. I'll try to do a little demonstration here. I don't know if I can do it and hold the dang thing at the same time, but basically just set the plastic on there and just kind of just touch it there, and it just melts. I won't get all into it, but it gets hot enough, and then you just like smooth it out. And the whole thing is to melt the other plastic, the polyethylene plastic also, and you melt that, and it just melts through the screen, and then you put the new stuff on top of that too, and just kind of mix it and hope it works. I believe it's going to work perfect, and I've tried some JB Weld. That didn't work for me. I didn't want to, that other guy that has that tape you put on there. What the heck? The tank's heavy enough, and I got it off, and I think this is going to work. So the principle sounds good. If you're welding from the outside, the water's going to push against it. But if you put a screen on the inside and you're able to really melt it in there and put the screen, so when the water's pushing, it's pushing from inward out, and I think you got a good chance. And I'm almost positive it's going to work. So, it dries in 1 minute. It's dry. So I've seen other videos that do it, and so I said, let me do a video while I'm doing it. But the trick is get some good polyethylene rods, and Amazon has some cheap ones and reasonable, $11-12. Got here in one day, and I was able to knock this out. Yeah, Harbor Freight gave me a little package of little ones, but I wasn't sure. They were skinny rods, and they're probably good. Look at these guys. Okay, I'm gonna show you these. These little rods here, they Harbor Freight, and they're probably good, but they're black. And I don't know if they're polyurethane, but they look good. But I don't know. I just buy some anyway. So I think I got $40 in the whole thing, and it's gonna work. So let's keep our fingers crossed. I'm almost positive, man. Okay, thank you for watching, and I hope it helps somebody out there. Talk to you later.